Hi, Dr. Ryan with Path to Movement and Health and Wellness here. We're going to do a calf release, so targeting the gastroc and soleus muscles as they insert into the Achilles. And what you're going to need for this, maybe for starters, is a foam roller, but eventually trying to work your way towards something that's harder and firmer, like a lacrosse ball, or actually a peanut-shaped lacrosse ball, or I should say a peanut-shaped myofascial tool. It works really well. Or you can just stick two of them in a sock like this and tie it off so that they stay together. It works just fine. So what we're going to do is just get on the ground, and we're going to start by scanning just to see kind of where the spots are that we need to focus on. So starting with a foam roller, if you really can't notice anything at all, you may be able to go straight towards the peanut, but we're just going to locate some spots that feel a little bit more sore. And we can either sustain that pressure just by pushing down, or we can use our other leg and start to apply downward pressure through the opposite leg. So in these first 30 seconds, let's just keep the pressure here and gradually just move up and down over those spots that feel more sore. Again, if the foam roller is not much of a tool to help you out, I would just go for something that's firmer, like the two lacrosse balls or a peanut-shaped myofascial tool to help you get a little bit more specific to pressure around that calf and soleus. So once we're there, we're going to start to add a little bit more rolling, so up and down along that spot. Again, you can apply more pressure with your opposite leg. So we'll do about 30 seconds here of just straight up and down. And then what we can start to do is go side to side. So I'm kind of taking my big toe and just rotating it as far as I can from one side to the other without slipping off of the peanut that I made here. And then I'll start to go actually up and down while moving that. And then lastly, what we're going to do is add in more movement. So if we want to promote more glide, more extensibility between the fascia and the muscles, we're going to continue our rolling while we pull our foot and ankle up and down. So maybe 10 to 15 reps, again, another 30 seconds. So this entire release to the calf may be about 2 minutes, 3 minutes max if you have a couple spots that you really wanted to focus on. So you can go up and down, pumping your foot, or you can also draw circles. So that will be in and out. And that is a myofascial release technique for the gastroc and soleus, better known as your calf.